Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your own printable junk journal pages with vintage style borders easily and effortlessly. For this demonstration I'm using the Affinity Photo program together with a range of new printable junk journal page templates that are available in my online store. You can find links in the description below. To make a junk journal page, all you need to do is open one of the border templates in your photo editing program. If the background layer is locked, release it so you can move the layer around. Now add a decorative paper, which will be your background paper, and move the layer underneath the template layer. I'm using a vintage style paper that has some stains. At this point, you could flatten and save the file to JPEG format and print it out and use it as a basic printable junk journal page. However, you can also add other types of papers or patterns to create more interesting pages. Just be sure to move them to a layer underneath the template. And it is that easy to make a printable junk journal page that has dark borders, similar to vintage style pages. This set includes 10 different templates, so you have endless possibilities for creating unique printable junk journal pages. You can even make modifications to change the appearance of the borders using blending modes. To do this, duplicate the template and place the copy on the layer above. Then play around with the blending modes to darken and enhance the border. You can cycle through the blending modes and choose the best one for the effect that you're looking for. Then use the opacity slider to soften and adjust the effect. You can make the borders look different by stacking different styles one on top of the other and playing around with the blending modes. You can also change the color by adding a color adjustment layer to the border file. In this way, you can color coordinate the borders with the color of your background patterns or papers. In Affinity Photo, to add a color adjustment layer, select the Recolor adjustment and clip it to the border layer by dragging it underneath so that it becomes indented to the layer above. Then play around with the recolor sliders, the blending modes and the opacity slider until you're happy with the way things look. If you're using multiple border layers, you can add color adjustment layers to each of them to create complex border colors. You can adjust these colors to fully coordinate with any type of background paper that you choose. As well as a basic border template set, there is also available a set of 6 templates that includes a background border together with torn paper edges. You can use these torn paper edge templates in a similar way as the basic border templates. There are 6 different styles in this set, and the torn paper effect is super easy to achieve using these templates. You can duplicate the template and place a copy on the layer above, then change the blending mode to darken and enhance the outer border. Cycle through the blending modes and choose the best one for the effect that you're looking for. Then adjust the opacity to soften the effect. This set also includes PNG files of just the inner edges, so you can layer them on top and change the colour or the blending mode to achieve different effects. Using these techniques, you have endless options for creating unique borders for your printable junk journal pages. And they will work for all types of different patterns, backgrounds and papers. Once you've finished your modifications, all you need to do is save it to a JPEG format file and then print it out and use it in your junk journals. Using these templates, you can quickly turn your digital papers and patterns into printable junk journal pages in no time at all. You can use them for your own junk journals or for journals or printable pages that you want to sell. The templates suit all types of patterned and coloured paper and can be mixed and blended to create something completely unique.